Come on, Kyle. Get on up there, 7 truck.
Watch this, buddy. Great battle for the lead up front.
Buddy.
Watch this buckaroo. Oh, we slide.
Brings that high side and tries to hang on to the lead.
No!
Oh, no!
Oh, no!
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Did you put money on him?
Oh, I was say, hopefully nobody ain't got money on him.
Oh, there goes $20.
He lost it off the
$20 down the
transition.
drain right there. $20. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Yeah, no contact.
That's hilarious.
That's
1-800
fucking
gambler.
ridiculous. Oh, shut the fuck up. All right, so for future reference, don't put money on Justin Allgaier or Martin Truex this week. Because I got 10 on each of those guys. So just a heads up for everyone.
That thing's cooked.
It's cut tire.
It's dragging.
Oh! Oh, he's wrecking again.
Cut a fucking
It's done
tire.
now.
It's killed.
Marshall was already out there.
It's,
No, it's a little early on Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
Oh, he's going down the other pit road.
Abu Dhabi knows the script.
No, I didn't DM him. Actually, God, I didn't. Like, I really did not. That's why I'm concerned.
Why did you search
Did
for
you
Google
actually
Maps
not?
twice?
Oh, big wreck.
Big wreck.
Oh.
It's the big one.
That sucks.
No, that's alright.
Oh, Dean's whole
Oh,
back
look
end is
out.
fucking.
With the brace craft.
Oh,
Damn.
Dean, Raja.
That sucks.
Oh, my
That's
God.
missed it.
Oh, Corey
Hey, gotta
Heim
get
was in
you.
it.
Wow.
Dean.
Oh, my
Oh, my
God.
God.
Dean.
Dean, what
That's
are
your
we doing?
teammate.
Oh, God, that car snapped.
So the car
I
I
feel
thought
like-
got hooked into the outside wall was Dean.
I feel like Crafting never lifted like this whole time.
No.
He didn't. He's in the gas all the time.
Oh,
I was
look at how
thinking-
He's
Oh,
never
yeah.
once touched the brake.
Let me just come back in from the field.
Hit the brakes.
I bet-
you
I want to hit some more.
Watch, he never once hits the brake. Never once.
Dude,
Even
look
when he
how
goes-
far Dean's truck got fucking pushed.
Yeah, that's crazy.
God
That's
damn,
up
it
to the
did. It
fuel
got,
cell.
yeah, it
Look
got,
at the 88. God, he fucking sped up hitting the wall. His rear tires are still spinning. I mean, what the fuck? He's in the gas. They're spinning forward when he's going backwards.
Yeah, they really were. They
Come
really were.
on. Is the Colby dropping water? Look at the fucking
Yeah,
red
right.
dot.
Crazy, yeah.
Shit.
Might have a wreck here.
Oh.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
Wow.
I was like, damn, the
Oh, who's
25
that?
Is that Matt
that?
Mills? It's Matt Mills. Look at him go.
Oh, shit. Oh, it's the 91.
here we go.
Ford's gonna lose this motherfucker. Holy shit.
I told you, they're like,
All at the
cursing.
hands of Jack Wood. Oh, my God.
If Christian Eckes wins this race.
Grandpa. No.
I was just letting you hang out there for a minute.
No. Bryce had to be humbled.
Let him cook.
I just watch Ford somehow lose this race.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
We got two
Yeah.
trucks in the top 4.
I feel like trying to fuck or something.
Dude, what if the fucking one wins? Colby fucking Howard.
Come on, Ross, do
Thank
your
God.
thing here and just wreck him.
Were they not going like
Oh, they're
way
gonna
through?
wreck.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
Majeski.
Oh,
Oh, the one's
they're
gonna
three
get
deep.
fucked here. The one's gonna get
oh,
fucked.
there you go.
Yeah, Majeski is
Both
wrecked.
the Fords.
They
Both the
saved
Fords
it.
just
Both
got
the
Yeah,
wrecked.
Fords.
motherfucker. Ross is gonna win this race.
Oh,
I
Ben
can't
Rhodes.
fucking wait to hear Travis. God damn it.
Come on, Ben.
Don't let
Travis
Ross win
is
this
wrecked.
fucking race. I don't want to hear Travis. I don't want to hear
I said
Travis.
They're going to
Oh,
wreck for 20th
Oh,
in the
they're
back
wrecking
on the
for
white.
second. They're wrecking for second.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
look at Sanchez. Get his ass. Break the fucking
Sanchez is gonna get
45.
All
Oh,
right.
that
Break the
was caution.
45.
All right,
I thought it
here
was
comes the
too.
wreck for 20th.
Moose.
They're going to wreck for 20th.
Team Little just said end it.
End it all.
Go get the
Sanchez got
45.
reeled him in.
Uh-oh, he's
Sanchez.
Go get
running
him.
here.
Go get him.
Oh, here
gotta
we go.
run.
Last chance.
He's got to
Louisiana
run.
dog
You got to
bomb.
put him on the dash.
Oh, he
No.
pussy.
Oh, yeah.
He pussy.
He did it wrong.
Ross
Damn, he
defended
gassed
it decent.
him.
Ross had a decent defense.
Damn it.
There goes Ford though.
He just throttled
Should
it
have
up
put it
for
on the
that
wall
man.
and let it hang.
Bummer.
Ford is so cursed, bro.
They really are.
They're still gonna win the fucking championships.
Probably. Joe Logano. Yep.
Harrison Burton.
A lot of magic there with that guy. Phil Gould,
Harrison
we saw
Burton
for a
is
moment ago
never,
on the pit box, and Ross Chastain.
He's never what? Never?
never gonna win a fucking champion.
Chastain said it's even faster.
Okay. What?
Championship.
Thanks, Dwayne.
He's got to win a race first.
Oh, I literally just walked in the
no.
door.
How do you like that, you peckerheads?
Oh, shut the
What
fuck
are you
up.
talking about?
Hey, Peckerheads! I just walked out the door. Peckerhead, Peckerhead, Peckerhead.
I just walked in the door and Ross Chastain won this race.
Womp womp, womp womp, Peckerhead, womp womp.
Oh my god.
Bro won a minor league race.
Yeah.
Look at this battle. Ben Rhodes.
Yep.
Yep, we're looking at it.
Oh, crazy.
No, I don't want to see it.
Restart ends up second.
I do like the watermelon smash.
The Melon Man.
Alright, dude.
Can't wait for
Where'd
them to
he
cut.
go?
They're gonna come away from
Where'd he
that
go?
too. Slamming on the roof.
Oh, is he gonna put it on the hood?
No.
Oh, oh.
Oh, the camp.
Why would you do it
They
on
missed
that?
the shot.
Literally, why would you do it on that side?
No one in the crowd saw it.
Crushing his melon.
Crushing his melon.